For the panna cotta, we will need 200 milliliters heavy whipping cream, 35 grams sugar, 75 milliliters whole milk, 2 teaspoon gelatin powder, and 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add 2 tablespoons of cold water into the gelatin. Let it soak and bloom for 5 minutes. Put a saucepan on medium-high heat and add the heavy whipping cream with the whole milk. Let the liquids come to a light boil and then add the sugar. Stir it all together until the sugar has been completely dissolved. Then add the vanilla extract and incorporate everything together. Finally, we add the bloomed gelatin and stir until it has completely dissolved in the mixture. Make sure that there is no leftover gelatin clumps. Let it come down to room temperature. I used champagne glasses to present my panna cotta. The glasses were filled 3/4 of the way, and to do so I used a squeeze bottle. Then refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. For the blueberry compote, we will need 15 grams sugar, 70 grams blueberries, and 3 tablespoons water. With a saucepan at medium-high heat, add the blueberries. Add the water and let it come to a gentle simmer. Then add the sugar. Squash the berries and combine everything together. Let it cook until the compote starts to thicken. Sieve the mixture to remove all the lumped up skin of the blueberries. Finally, we will add the blueberry compote on top of the set panna cotta. You can fill it with compote as per your preference level. Now enjoy the classic panna cotta with blueberry compote.